Wire management is a very hot topic in the solar industry. Many solar installers are using zip ties, whether they like to admit it or not, but we are getting rid of these, and we have a series of wire management options, and you can go to our website where we talk in depth about these, like the TC wire wire clip that you see here on the top. TC stands for top channel. We have side clips as well, and we have different ways of doing wire management with MLPEs, with module leads, whatever you got going on. Trunk cables, home runs. Our newest product that we are introducing is the Dragon Clip. So the Dragon Clip, you can see some of the bite marks here from us putting it on multiple times. And I have the module on here backwards, and I'm just gonna put this on. You can kind of hear it cricking, like biting into the anodization and making that strong bite into the metal there. And I've got this upside down so you can see that this will take two wires into these slots, and they kind of click in place. So there's a regular PV wire, then you got kind of a home run wire. You can do two more of these on the other side. So you can do 4 PV wires, or you've got trunk cable. This is a pretty standard end phase trunk cable that's out there. And you got these little bit more flat wires, and these are also designed to clip into place in here so you can get those trunk cables picked up. So a lot of installers like to do the wire management in our rail channel of the cross rail, but then when you lay down the modules, you can either tie that into the TC wire clip, which can be undone. Unlike a zip tie, it's already done, and that's, you can't undo it. You can undo it, put more wires in there when you get these leads off the modules. Different modules have different lead locations. Some are in one box like this, some are separated into 2 different sides in the middle of the module. So these frame clips become very handy, and we've made it kind of this little U shape so it tucks it in. So again, the module's upside down here so you can see what's happening, but if this was the underside and we were putting this in, you would bite this onto the frame of the module, and now it's holding itself in, and the weight of the wires will actually hold itself into that U shape of the Dragon Clip. So this is a really high heat resistant plastic, and then you have the metal insert to grab the frame of the module there. So it bites on, it's gonna last much longer than any kind of zip tie out there. So we have a combo of different solutions. Check our website, get a sample, and try out these systems that can help you keep your wires up off the roof.